Hi, this is 1 Minute Math from Teacher C Tutorials, and for this video, I will show you an example of solving rational equation. Our first example is 2x over 3 equals 2. Now, 2 is a whole number and we can put 1 as its denominator. Next, let us cross multiply. 2x times 1 equals 3 times 2. 2x times 1 is 2x equals 3 times 2 is 6. To get the value of x, we need to eliminate 2 by dividing 2 both sides. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1x equals 6 divided by 2 is 3. So x equals 3. This is only one of our examples. If you want more, please do visit and subscribe to my channel.